The role of management. Functions of management. For example, planning, organizing, coordinating, commanding, and controlling. In every business or organization, business operations are run by the managers. Sometimes they are called managers and sometimes leaders, directors, trainers, head of the departments, etc. The role of the managers is almost similar in every organization. Most of the time, they are expected to fulfill the following tasks. Planning. Planning or future planning of the organization is done to set the objectives and targets of the organization. We can have an example of a juice company that asks their managers to plan a 25% increase in sales in the next 2 years. A small business owner may ask his manager to plan the growth of a business up to 20% in the next 2 years. If a manager is not good at planning, it shows that he is a poor manager and has no ability to manage the work. Planning provides clear tasks to perform in the next few weeks, months, or years. Planning is the process that sets the directions of the organization or business for the future moves. Organizing. No one can perform all the tasks in the organizations, not even the manager can do this. It is because they have to assign the task to the appropriate employees who have resources to perform those tasks successfully. This thing proves that the manager's responsibility is to organize the people in an effective way. Commanding. It is also a concept that managers give a command to their subordinates regarding different tasks. The main task of any manager is to provide guidelines and necessary information to the supervisors and employees to ensure the work process done smoothly. But sometimes, because of their experience to handle different issues, they command their subordinates as well. Controlling. Managers always try to measure the output given by their departments, whether it is production, it is quality of production, or any service. They always try to measure and evaluate the task given to the supervisors and individuals, whether they are performing well or not, and the given targets are met or not. Managers try to follow the plan and design given to them as standard to measure the performance, quality of services, etc. In case if their team is not meeting the targets, managers try to take some necessary actions to meet the targets. Coordinating. Coordinating means brings people closer to each other in the organization. Organizations want their employees to work as a team. If they don't come closer, it will be difficult for them to coordinate with each other or work as a team. Sometimes managers fail to do that and it becomes a real danger for the organization. Sometimes the coordination between different departments is also required. For example, the marketing department of the company can't announce and start advertising without the coordination of the production department. After that, the involvement of the sales department is also required, as sales are the only way through which a company can get revenue.
Please don't forget to like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram and LinkedIn, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.